Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your station address online or voting station online. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you can either go to the USA.gov website and just search for change your voter registration, and then it will take us to the vote.gov. So basically, from here or from this website, you will be able to start changing your station online. So basically, you will need just to type in your browser vote.gov, and you will be able to enter your state or territory name. So basically, each state has its own rules and instruction. So in all cases, it will be very different from state to other. So you can choose anyone where you are registered, and from here you will need to go to your online registration, or you can just see the deadlines, etc. And basically, what matters the most is just to check your voter registration from the election website of the states. So as you can see, for each state has its own website. So for example, let's go to Georgia, and here we will find the election website. So this is for some security check, and this depends on each website. And basically from here you can check your registration, you will add your information, and then if you will find some platform or panel where you can change your states. Otherwise, you can just contact them online or by email, and then send them like your requirements of changing the states. And you can do this from all the websites. And you will need just to go down and search for the number, for example, and you will or some emails, and then you can uh, contact them so you can change your state. So basically, here, if you are already registered, you will need just to submit and add your country, etc. And you will be able to start entering to the platform or section, so you can be able to change your station on each election website. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.